Tired of constantly glancing at your phone while driving? Let's get you set up with voice-guided navigation in Google Maps, so you can keep your eyes on the road. First, make sure you have the Google Maps app installed and updated on your smartphone. Open the app. Next, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various settings and options. In the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you to the Google Maps settings page. Now, find and tap on Navigation Settings. This is where you can customize your navigation preferences. Look for Guidance Volume. Tap on it and choose your preferred volume level. You can select between softer, normal, or louder, depending on your environment. You can also select Unmuted if you want voice guidance to play even if your phone is on silent. Make sure the Play Voice Guidance During Calls option is toggled on if you want to hear directions while you're on a phone call. This is especially useful for long trips. That's it. Now, when you start navigating to a destination, you'll hear clear, turn-by-turn voice instructions. Drive safely and enjoy your journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.